Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another video for you guys. This hair is from Sunber. This is their packaging, and this is what I received. You get your wig bag with their logo on it, a wig cap. I believe I got some eyelashes, some earrings, and a comb, and of course the wig. Okay. So the wig that I am going to show you guys today is a loose deep wave wig. It is 26 inches. This is a frontal, okay? And it's just bomb. It's giving a lot of life here. So this is what she looks like straight out the package, and you know we're going to customize. I did not pluck the hairline to this wig. You can. I just was not in the mood to pluck anything. So this is what the cap looked like. This is considered a stock cap, okay, a stock wig, all right, because a machine makes it. You don't get a full frontal. You get like 4 inches down in the middle, and then the sides are like maybe 2.5 inches, 3 the most, but it's not 4 inches. A 13 by 4 is a full frontal, and you get 13 inches across your forehead and 4 inches back all the way throughout your entire frontal, and this is not that. So this is like kind of like a partial frontal kind of. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Got To Be Free spray the hairline to brush all the little baby hairs and flyaway hairs back, because I am gonna go in and bleach the knots on this unit. And so again, this is around the time I didn't have no 30 volume developer, so I'm using 40, okay? I would not suggest you use 40, but do what you got. Do it how you please. You feel me? So I'm doing 1 scoop of developer and 1 scoop of bleach, and I'm gonna mix it both together to get the consistency that I need. And I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it on the lace. Okay. It's been hot in LA. I've said that before in a previous video, and so my AC has been on, so 40 volume has been okay for me because my house is cool, so the processing time is a little bit slower than what it would be like if it was warm or hot. So you definitely want to watch your knots and how they process. I always say that, and I'm going to always stress that, okay? So because it's cooler, 40 volume was okay, and I let it process for about 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, I did go rinse the bleach out. I used purple shampoo to tone it. My favorite shampoo, purple shampoo, is Vanilla No Yellow. I leave it on there about 30-40 seconds, no longer than that, because if you leave it on longer, your knots will turn gray, because it is a very opaque shampoo. All right, it's a very violet shampoo, so it will turn your hair real fast, so you definitely want to be careful with that. I went in and washed the wig, conditioned it with silicone mix, you know that's my fave, and I let it air dry. And now we're here at this point where I am installing this wig. So I did try a new glue. This is not a glue review. The review to this video, to this actual glue, is coming, but I'll let you guys know what glue I use. This is that Damien Flagler. I think that's how you say her name on Instagram. She's an Instagram hairstylist, and she has a lot of followers, and so she claims that her glues are waterproof. And so she has 2 glues, a water-based white glue and an acrylic-based glue, which is supposed to be waterproof. And she says that both of her glues are waterproof. So we're going to do that test. You know what I mean. And so I'm going to test both of the glues for you guys, the white one and the acrylic-based one, to see if it's actually waterproof, because you guys know we need to find the bombest glues out here, because some of us just don't have braids. You feel me? We need to have bomb hairstyles when we go on a vacation and going swimming, okay? So I did put 3 layers on. I did wait for it
to sit in your chair
to turn clearish, like like, you know, it was taking a little longer for it to turn clear. I am applying the wig, well, I am laying the lace down at this point. And then after the lace is laid down, I am going to go ahead and cut the excessive lace off. So now I'm going to take my razor and I'm just going to cut off the excessive lace so we could do some baby hairs. So this is what we looking like. The lace is cut. The lace is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but if it was like a tad bit darker, it would be the perfect color for me. Okay, so I am going to take my hot comb and my pressing stick. These will be available on my website soon. All right, and I'm just gonna press the top of my hair because I like my hair to be flat. I don't like puffiness. So I'm gonna pull some of the baby hairs down, press it down, and I'm gonna do that to the temples and to my sideburns, baby hairs, and then I am gonna cut it with the razor. I like to cut mine a little longer. If I have to cut them shorter, then I'll do so after I have laid them. And you do that to both sides. I like to use spritz to actually lay my baby hairs down, but I've been using the what is the thing called? A flat iron, a little tiny flat iron to curl my baby hairs, and it's just been making the most biggest difference ever when it comes to baby hairs for me. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right here. These flat irons are from Sally's. I will put a link down below if Amazon have them, or if I'll put a Sally's link down below for you guys as well. And then yeah, I just feel like, you know what, baby, edge brushes works so much better than toothbrushes. You know, I will never use another toothbrush on my baby hairs again. But yeah, so I noticed that I needed some more baby hairs, so I took some down, cut them, and then I'm recurling the top, and then I'm gonna just brush them in place. And then once I figure out where I want them to be laid, I'm gonna go ahead with my spritz. And I like to spray the brush, not the actual hair, with spritz, because I can control how much product I'm putting on the actual baby hair. So I like to do that instead. And yeah, I'm gonna do that to both sides. So I told you guys that the lace was a tad bit lighter, so I am going to go in with my Boho, not liquid gold. I'm so used to saying liquid gold. Lace tint in medium brown. I'm going to spray some in the top. I'm going to take a fluffy makeup brush, dab some of the product off because you don't want it to be drenching. And I'm going to just dab it on my hairline. And then I'm going to use the blow dryer on cool to set it, because I don't want to actually spray my hairline with the product, because I find if you use any type of glue and it hasn't cured for 24 hours, it'll lift up really faster. So this method is the best method that I've discovered when it comes to tinting your lace. And yeah, just spray a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, because you're going to end up dabbing some off on a rag if you have too much product on your brush. So you put some product on your brush and just dab it on your hairline. Use the blow dryer to make sure that it is set. Once it's done, you want to take your freeze spray and spray your hairline and wrap her on down. So this right here is only water. I'm not going to drench my hair. I'm just spritzing it just to make sure it's kind of damp. And I'm just going to take my Denman brush and I'm going to comb that water through just to make sure that every strand has some type of moisture in it, because I do want my curls or my waves to pop. All right, you spray the water all throughout your hair on both sides. And then I'm also going to take my curl and wave whip from Cantu. I like using that on my wigs or weaves because it is a curl mousse. Okay, so it's designed to have your curls popping, and I like to use that on my curly hair. So after I do that and comb it through, I am going to scrunch it up. And that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the description, in the comment section. And you know me, I'm going to be down there and I'm going to answer y'all questions. And this was the final results. So I used a Damien Flagler. Her name is just a tongue twister for me. Her gold glue, and then I tinted my lace with a bold hole liquid gold in medium. I'll have everything down below for you guys. Bye, you guys.